SATA. The Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, commonly known as SATA, is the standard hardware interface used to connect mass storage devices to the motherboard. Before the invention of SATA, technicians used massive, wide ribbon cables known as IDE or PATA, which blocked airflow and were very difficult to manage inside the computer case. SATA revolutionized system building by introducing a very thin, flexible cable that significantly improved thermal dynamics and made cable management much easier. The L-shaped design and physical architecture. The data connection on the motherboard features a distinctive L-shaped plastic housing inside the port. This acts as a physical key, making it impossible for a technician to plug the cable in upside down, which prevents electrical damage to the drive or the motherboard. The data cable itself contains exactly 7 pins, which is a massive reduction from the 40 pins used on older legacy drives, ensuring a secure and simple connection. Generations and data transfer speeds. Throughout its lifespan, the standard has evolved through 3 main generations, each doubling the speed of the previous one. Generation 1 offered speeds of 1.5 gigabits per second. Generation 2 increased this to 3 gigabits per second. Generation 3, which is the standard found on all current motherboards, maxes out at 6 gigabits per second. It is important to remember that these versions are fully backward compatible, meaning you can plug a brand new Generation 3 solid-state drive into an older Generation 2 motherboard, and it will simply run safely at the slower Generation 2 speed. Data versus power connections. A common point of confusion for beginners is the difference between the data and power connections on the back of a storage drive. The small 7-pin cable plugs directly into the motherboard to handle the transfer of files and operating system data. However, the drive also requires a separate, wider 15-pin power cable that comes directly from the power supply unit. Both of these cables must be securely connected for the hard drive or optical drive to function and be recognized by the computer system. Hot swapping capabilities. Unlike older standards, the SATA architecture supports hot swapping natively. This means that in properly configured systems, specifically servers and enterprise storage arrays, a technician can unplug a failing hard drive and plug in a brand new one, while the computer is still turned on and running without crashing the operating system.